Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Curl tightly. Crimp hair. Crape, frizz, frizzle, kink, kink up. Make ridges into by pinching together. Pinch. An angular or rounded shape made by folding. Bend, crease, flexure, fold, plication. Someone who tricks or coerces men into service as sailors or soldiers. Crimper. A lock of hair that has been artificially waved or curled.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.